Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot K-17 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So this house comes equipped with outside water and electric and dueling staircases, as we just saw a little bit before. I'll take a look inside now. This house comes equipped with brand new Whirlpool appliances, all of which have a warranty through the manufacturer. Here is the living room, and we'll take a look out the window to get a look at the neighborhood. This house comes with central air conditioning, and this is the thermostat for that. Here you can see the refrigerator. Here you can see the dishwasher. And right above it, you've got that beautiful subway tile backsplash. You can see this house comes equipped with laminate countertops, and there's full vinyl flooring throughout the house. Here we have the sink. And in these cabinets is adjustable shelving. This is the microwave above the stove oven combination. And beneath the stove, there is a heating tray. Which you can see here. Here you can see it's very minimal maintenance. You've just got a little stone area out front, and that's just regular weeding. Here is the furnace. And this is a gas furnace. Now we'll take a look at the bathroom. And this is a one-piece fiberglass shower. This one's especially nice because it has those 2 seats right in there. You have the mirror, and that laminate countertop is also in the bathroom. So this is the back door, and here you can see from the outside that outside water and electric there. And those are the 2 steps. Right here you have the electrical panel, and it's just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps. And right across from there, here is where you could put your stackable washer and dryer. Now we'll take a look at the bedroom. Now this house has thermal pane windows, which are energy efficient and are one of many things which allow this house to have a Energy Star certification. So the thermal pane windows keep the hot air in during the winter months and the warm air in during the summer months. So on the left side of the closet here, you can see the Energy Star certification. And one of the other things that adds to that is all the appliances in here are also energy efficient. Right on the right side here, you can see the whole house shutoff valve. And here you have 2 extra screens that come with the house. Lastly, behind this door is the water heater. And this is a 40-gallon electric water heater. So So if you're interested in finding out more about this house, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you updates on any new houses we have and get you on the path to potentially owning one of your own. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.